In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust product quantities in our sales management system, ensuring that your inventory records are always up to date and accurate. Whether you've just finished a stock-taking session or need to make changes due to unexpected discrepancies, this guide will walk you through every step to keep your product listings precisely where they need to be. First, you'll want to navigate to the Sales section of our system. Once you're there, look for the Products and Services option. This is where all your product listings are organized. By accessing this area, you'll gain a complete view of everything you offer, making it much simpler to find the specific product in question. When you've identified the product you need to adjust, go ahead and select it. It's important to be sure you're working with the correct item, especially if you have similar products or variations. Confirming this will prevent any future discrepancies or confusion. Once you've clicked on the right product, it's time to look for the Adjustment button. Clicking on this will open up a new set of options specifically designed to help you modify the inventory details accurately. Now, you'll see a space to fill in some critical pieces of information: the reason for the adjustment, the date, and the appropriate account to apply this adjustment. Taking a moment to clearly fill in the reason can be particularly helpful for keeping track of why changes have been made and ensuring everyone on your team is informed. For the date, be sure to enter the accurate current date or the specific date when the adjustment should be recorded. And finally, selecting the correct account ensures that this transaction is tracked properly within your financial records. Next, you'll need to update the quantity of your product to reflect the new inventory count. In the Counted column, carefully enter the new quantity, making sure it accurately represents your current stock. It's crucial not to rush this step, as entering the wrong number could lead to ongoing errors in inventory tracking. After you've filled in all the required information, it's time to move on to the Review Adjustment step. This is your chance to double-check every detail before finalizing the changes. Take a moment to make sure everything is entered correctly. It's always better to catch potential typos or selection mistakes now rather than later. Once you're confident that all the details are correct, click Submit Adjustment to post it. This final action will update your records and reflect the changes in your inventory counts, keeping everything aligned with the actual stock levels. And there you have it, accurately adjusting your product quantities within the sales system, ensuring seamless inventory management and helping your business run smoother. Don't forget to regularly check your product listings for any further adjustments needed and keep the information consistent across all platforms. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.